When the No Guts, No Glory?
Nah, that's the big boy shit.
Yeah.
Super.
When y'all's here?
November 22nd.
November 22nd?
Like that, yeah.
Okay. Somewhere in there, y'all.
It's the weekend before Thanksgiving.
Okay, weekend before Thanksgiving. Man, I don't know where I'm gonna be at, man.
We race Saturday, and then the Friday after our Saturday, Black Friday. So it's definitely before Black Friday.
Okay.
A week before Black Friday.
It ain't nothing you been wanting and thinking about for Black Friday, is it?
I just kicking them boy ass all my life. I just mad at fucking shit when I'm down.
Yeah.
I'm mad about my shit. My shit better get in.
Yeah. Did you lock in? Anybody got bold enough to lock it in?
No, I can't do it. I go with my cup up now. I can't
Okay, you don't. Yeah, you wait until it's ready.
I don't play.
Yeah, okay.
I call niggas out.
Okay.
What's up?
Bet. Who was that? That's CC, man.
Y'all will never check y'all.
Zoom in on your boy's camera setup with the 12 antennas. Let me see where he is. Here you go. Look out, man. Look out. They wanted me to come holler at you. They said you got 12 antennas. You getting some extra reception.
Tell them this ain't nothing but a live, man.
It's a live?
Yeah, live going to our box up there at the top.
Where it go?
Up there to the top. You know what you need to do is go follow Big Wheels Network.
Okay.
Go download it on your phone, on your TV. You want to see all the big races, whatever going on in the race world, big world, race world, don't race world. Hell, if they racing cats and dogs, we out there.
Yeah. And where you from?
South Carolina.
South Carolina, okay. And what's this device called? I can get me one of them?
Yeah.
What I gotta get? What is that? What is hooking up to?
Axon transmitter, and you gotta get your
Axon trans. I got a live view. I need to just get that. That's the next thing.
Yep. Get you a good reception. That's all it does.
So what? You got the live view sitting up there somewhere?
With the switch box.
With the switch box.
You know, we got like shit and 2 cameras down there. This one right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's another camera.
So all of them got that little thing right there?
Yeah, he basically switches through each camera.
Oh, so y'all all, it's like a team. Yeah, like a TV network. So who the switcher? Who's switching it from camera to camera?
My dog sitting up there.
That's your dog up there? Which one in the white hoodie?
No, he's sitting down. You can't.
Oh, he's sitting down.
Right,
so like he going from camera to camera. Yeah. Is it live?
Yeah, it's live right now.
Damn, it's on the Big Wheel Network.
Right now.
Okay, right now, y'all. He on the Big Rim Network. Big Wheel.
Big Wheels Network.
Big Wheels Network. They live. Big Wheels with an S now.
Yeah,
they live. They got 4 cameras out here. That's how it look. Look like the BMW sign.
Yeah.
But
Big
they
Wheels
took.
Network.
Okay.
See what they said at the top.
Yeah.
Scared fast.
Yeah. Okay. Man, that might be my next level. I gotta get me a. So I'm gonna have to hook my line. How much these cost? You know about that?
They range because all of them different. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Some of them pick up different ranges and shit. So.
Oh, okay. Man, he say some of them. Oh, okay. See, they got the top view, and then he'll switch it.
Yeah.
Whenever.
Once they start racing, he'll probably come down to the bottom.
Yeah. When they do a burnout, man, let me hold that and look. Let me see how he. Let me see how good of a job he doing, y'all. Yeah, well, we're about to steal their setup. Yeah, I need. Hell, I ain't got number one person. Ain't got number one person. I ain't got nobody to switch with. How y'all came aboard, man? Who the originator? Who knew about the live view setup?
Country C.
Who?
Country C.
Country C?
Yeah.
That's a smart. That's my boy too. Shit, he back there. Country C pretty smart. I got that. Okay, look how they doing it, y'all. He done put 2 screens up. Damn. That's some good. That's good right there, y'all. Oh man, they doing a good job, man. They doing a good job. Appreciate the sub. Jag DOA, look how they got it, man. Yeah, he doing it live too. Too damn much for this old guy. Yeah, they doing good. I like that. I probably, let's see, I'm trying to. Take a long time to win. Left lane. Hey. Left lane for the win on that one, y'all. Come on, man. You got in there. Rob one time. Appreciate the gifted. I don't know what it is. Rapid Transit, what it is basically another connection. The Rapid Transit, do you know what the Live View backpack setup is? You ever heard of Live View backpack? I'll walk you through it. Okay, yeah, it's internet. Alright, so basically they got internet up there. They got the internet box up there like a Wi-Fi modem, right? And then they got each person, they got about, how many people y'all got? How many more cameras hooked up to the Live View? 4?
Right now it's 4.
Okay, right now they got 4 cameras on the Live View setup. Each one of them got the antenna to be able to reach back up there to the modem. Right lane for the win, y'all. Right lane won that. Okay, so what ended up happening is they got them antennas on there so it can make sure that they got a good connection all the way up there to the modem. And then they got another person up there with a controller. He got a controller and he's switching from different views. You know, like on the street Outlaws, they got one camera, then they're